Cushman Golfster, 73 Cushman Golfster, motor test, first try. I have not seen any markings indicating which one is S1, S2, A1, or A2, and I'm not familiar enough to be able to just discern from the way everything's hooked up. So I'm going to try to test them with an ohm meter, do a best guess, and then try to test this motor. It's a 73 Golfster, Cushman Golfster, and this is a 36 volt GE motor, and this thing has not been running in quite a while. The person I bought it from had no idea how long. It was not running when she got it, and she had no idea the guy who she got it from couldn't give her any information. So anyway, all that aside, we're going to see if this motor works, or if I just bought a very expensive paperweight. So, no, I'm not too concerned about that. I know I can rebuild it. I've got the ass end jacked up. Tires are off the ground. Cleaned the motor up a little bit and tested these, and I have identified that my two top posts here and here are A1 and A2, and the two side posts down here are S1 and S2. They're actually stamped into the casing of the motor, which I couldn't see because of all the grime buildup that you can see, kind of see there on this motor. So with the wire brush, I was able to clean those off and identify them. So now I'm going to hook up some cables to this thing and then test it. We'll see what we get. I've got A2 connected to S1. I've got S2 connected to the positive terminal over there. Got A1 connected to a wire. We've got the negative terminal connected to a wire, and I'm going to touch those two together. And when I do, hopefully that motor turns over, and that's it. Long enough.
Oh. Oh.
That's welding. You heard it turn though, right?
Yes.
I really would rather have a switch on this. Yeah, I'm welding this. I don't want to spark so much.
Wow, there it goes.
Okay.
Nice.
That's a successful test. Smells like my brother's old train. Welded that a little bit because I didn't make good contact the first couple of times. So it sparked more than it should have and welded, or arced and caused some welding. So I'd say that the test of the motor was successful. It's a 36 volt motor. I had it connected to 12 volts, so it didn't turn very fast, which is fine. It turned, which was most important. Now I can just clean it up a little bit and then test the rest of these components. So that's a good test, I'll say.